It's Kelvin again. Just doing some work on my 350Z. So I have these ST suspensions, STX coilovers. They're just height adjustable. So I'm gonna be lowering the car another 1/4 inch on the shock body, and that should bring me maybe 3/4 of an inch on the actual tire to fender. So yes, this is how it goes. ST suspension STX, there's no locking collar technically, but there's only a single collar that you have to loosen this hex set screw, and then you can turn the locking collar up and down to adjust the height. Measuring the current height, and right now we're sitting at about 1.5 inches from the bottom to the top, and I'm gonna lower it about 1/4 inch. So hopefully that gives me enough drop. Some trouble moving the collar on its own. I haven't adjusted these for about half a year. So I got some WD-40. You can use penetrating oil or liquid wrench, but I don't have it right now. I just use WD-40, and I'm gonna try turn it. So I'm gonna be turning it to the left because that is counterclockwise. So you can see it's a little rusty, but we only have to move it 1/4 inch. So once it starts moving, it'll be way smoother. So I just turned it 2 complete revolutions. As you can see, the screw is back in the front. I like to keep this as my turning point, so I can just gauge how many revolutions I meet. And if I measure it right now, you might be able to see this because of the ruler, but it is at 1 1/4 to that space at the bottom right here.